Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GD app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about GD app and we click here on this page. After that, in this page of app info we will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You will search about the application of GD. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.